go in. When you hold, see, when you hold like this, you are just like this. Can you see it? Like that. Move, let's see. Keep moving backward. Keep going. It's okay. So you see, that's the point where you have the highest value of the current. Can you see it now? So now I need someone to check the time for me. What's the time now?
12:16.
So by 12:17 we'll remove the soft iron. We'll just do it for 2 minutes since our time is almost up. Okay, we'll do it for 2 minutes. So once it's 12:17, you tell me we'll remove the iron.
Just 12:17.
Say 2 minutes, I'll start it.
Are you first born? Are you first born?
Second to last.
Yeah, why are you getting this message? Look at why you're first born or second born. What about in? What about in?
I actually.
No.
Shh.
Actually, your voice is
Someone should be writing down. We are not observing.
First,
Sir,
it's time. You told me.
it's time. It's time.
When
When it's 12:17, it's 12:17.
boy, it's 12:18 minutes.
12 what?
It's 12:17 now.
So that time is wrong. As in analog.
So what time is it supposed to be?
12:17.
What's
Eh?
12:16?
12:17.
Yes,
I said 17 now. It's
Like
2 minutes.
So that I'm telling when they say 12:15, it was 12:16.
Your watch is wrong.
Are you comparing
Oh God. What kind of time is this people are using?
Sir,
Is this
it's time.
It's time. Okay, so we'll remove it now. You can release your hand.
Now it's 12:17.
So you also remove it in that direction also. Okay, let's look for something soft to attract it with. Something of a soft iron.
Is there anything noticeable?
Where is
This
it?
is the
There is
Inside here.
nothing noticeable.
ain't no belief.
So she locked it up.
Can you say it now?
Oh yeah, clap. Everybody clap. You see, he's walking.
So you see, it's a temporary magnet. After a while, tomorrow if you come, you discover he has lost his what? Magnetism. So we call it a day here.
You know that
Any question?
The magnet has
Yes, it lasts longer, but that doesn't stop the fact that it's a temporary magnet.